Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be creating 2 wood DIYs with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. Come on with me, guys. So now the Dollar Tree is carrying these wood slices, and I did have an extra cross here. You can never have too many of those. And then the wooden rose. So I am loving that. We're going to get started with this. Now I got this pretty lavender paint from Apple Barrel from Walmart, and then of course the bigger bottle of the Apple Barrel in white because we use that quite often. I'm going to be using the wood slice as a stand, so this is going to come out really amazing, guys. And I think I haven't decided exactly how I'm going to do the cross, whether it's going to be standing or a hanging piece. We'll see what happens here, but most of all, we're just going to start right now with just giving this a fresh coat of white paint to both pieces. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video, and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now, I'm going to be listing those channels down below in the description box, and I cannot wait to have you there. Now, always remember to head on over to the community tab, where there you're going to see the calendar of collaborations for the month. All right, so I think we are pretty much done giving this. I don't think I'm gonna need a second coat, but we're done with the first coat and we're gonna leave this to dry and then I will be right back. So now with the cross, I went ahead and I gave it a second coat, and there's a reason for this. The Dollar Tree's crafter section is carrying the chunky glitter, and I found it in my stash in gold. So I thought it would be really nice to just use that chunky glitter on the cross. So I'm using the paint. So what I do is I go ahead and give it another coat of paint, and I'm not stingy with it. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it nice and wet, and then I sprinkle the glitter on top of it. So this kind of helps everything to stick once it dries, and I will be sealing this off with Mod Podge off cameras to save some time here. Now with the rose, what I'm doing here is that since it's raised, the wood is raised, I'm gonna go ahead and do the edging of that raised part of the wood in that beautiful lavender or lilac color. So that's what I'm doing here. And we're gonna leave all of this to dry all at once, and then we're gonna come back and finish it off. Okay, so I found some of this beautiful pink ribbon. I love this satin ribbon. We're going to just go ahead and make a shoe bow. And then I'm just going to embellish with one of my iridescent pearls right in the center of that bow. I'm not sure exactly where I'm going to place this yet, but I always make a bow. So let's go ahead and finish this bow off, and then we'll go back to embellishing. So now what I decided to do is use one of those wood slices. And then I decided I want to make this like a stand-up decor piece with that rose. Isn't that absolutely beautiful how I trimmed that out? It looks beautiful. So of course we're going to go ahead and add the bow to the bottom part of that rose because I don't want anything to cover that rose. And it looks vintage to me, so you know I'm loving it. We're going to go ahead and place that bow. And then let's see what we're going to do with the cross. So now with the cross, I decided to use a piece of jute twine, and then I'm gonna go ahead and place some glue and then lay that jute twine there because it's gonna be a hanging piece. And then to kind of hold everything together, I used another one of those pearls. It didn't really need it, but I like to just go ahead and place that pearl right on top of that glue, holding the jute twine down, and it all kind of blends right into that chunky glitter. This came out absolutely amazing, guys. All right, so this looks like it's about to dry, and here we go. Now this is the rose. I am loving this rose. If I can get more than one, or they only had the one at Dollar Tree. And then of course this cross, you can use it anywhere. It's not anything specific or matching with this rose. They're just two separate pieces that I decorated, and I'm loving that cross. So I'm gonna go ahead and head on over to the reveal. All right, so I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.